Hi, my name is Deb Crislip-Baker, and I'm an academic coach at Victoria College in the Division of Academic Support and Student Success. This division prepares students for success in college-level studies and fosters lifelong learning. Academic coaching is one component of the Total Learning Center and is available to students who would like help with learning strategies and skills to incorporate into courses, life, or future careers. Academic coaching is available to all students because our goal is to ensure students have the necessary skills and strategies to perform well in their classes. Many students believe they are not college material because they aren't naturally smart and don't do well in their classes. These students either quit attending college or they get into trouble with their academic standing, which may cause them to lose their financial aid or force them to sit out a semester before attending classes again. Academic coaching helps students get or stay in good academic standing. Good academic standing means a student has a cumulative GPA. Cumulative includes all credit courses taken at Victoria College of a 2.0 or higher. When a student falls below a 2.0, he or she is placed on academic warning. Enrolled in a student development course, SDEV 0012, and receives an academic coach. If he or she does not increase his or her cumulative GPA to a 2.0, he or she is then placed on academic probation. These students receive an academic coach and attend weekly coaching sessions. If the cumulative GPA remains below a 2.0, the student progresses to academic suspension. At this stage, students must sit out a full semester, fall or spring, or both summer sessions. A student on academic suspension may appeal the suspension by completing an academic appeal form. If a student sits out a semester, he or she returns on academic probation. Students who participate in academic coaching sign a contract. The contract lists the requirements for the category or classification of the student. Students in good standing, like walk-ins and early alerts, have no requirements and can attend weekly coaching sessions or as needed. Student athletes and financial aid appeals must attend weekly sessions, and first-time in college students attend during weeks 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, 11, and 12, but they may attend weekly if they choose to do so. Students on academic warning, probation, and suspension must attend weekly sessions. Academic warning students will be dropped from all classes after their third missed class SDEV 0012 coaching session. Academic probation and suspension students are dropped from all classes after the second missed coaching session. All students participating in academic coaching complete an intake form. This form helps the academic coach know what the student would like to work on during the coaching sessions. Academic coaching is an interactive process where the coach and the student work together to help the student achieve his or her personal and academic goals. One way in which coaches help students is by helping them realize that doing well in college has nothing to do with how smart someone is and everything to do with how hard the students work and the habits they develop. Our expectations are a list of items all successful students do to be successful in college. Each week, students meet with coaches either in class during the SDEV 0012 class for academic warning students, face-to-face in Johnson Hall 100, online for the SDEV 0012 academic warning students, or by phone call. Regardless of how a student is coached, he or she has to do the work required to improve and practice the skills, strategies, and expectations. To help hold the students accountable, we have developed weekly meeting notes or online weekly meeting notes. Both types ask the student to take notes on the topics delivered or discussed in the sessions, make a list of tasks to complete before the next session, and to prepare for the next session. There's also a space to document the next meeting. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact Catherine Rodriguez at Victoria College or call her at 361-573-3291, extension 3288.